In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best dual-action polishers in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which dual-action polishers is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Ginour Polisher Variable Speed. Dual Action Brush 7.5. A 900-watt motor gives a secure rate for reduced noise. Come with random orbit, swirl-free sprucing up or fining sand activity, can lower the damages of equipment tracks, burn marks, holograms, which is various from normal brush or rotary machines. Perfect for polishing, waxing, polishing, buffing as well as getting rid of swirls. Compact dimension and 6 variable speed. The body dimension is 14.56 inches by 6.10 inches by 6.10 inches and also considers just 5.7 pounds, small and also effective. 6-level variable speed dial permits the user to set 2000 or 6400 RPM according to different products and also applications. Specialist devices featured 2 various design manages, D-handle and side manage. Its ergonomic design satisfy your higher operational demands. Affix 5 PCS 6-inch sorts of foam, the yellow foam disc for smooth sprucing up, the black foam disc for great waxing and also sprucing up, the woolen foam disc for great grinding. Humanized design with button lock style, you can maintain a rate by lock down the button, considerably minimizing tiredness. When the pin is locked, you can promptly change various other devices without making use of other tools. Constant power as well as consistent speed enables the operation more steady. Ginour is a powerful as well as freshly tools brand in the international market. We focus on generating as well as selling top-notch devices. Our devices products include residence improvement tools, electrical DIY sanding tools, specialist vehicle care tools, and so on. Making use of our devices makes your life more convenient and remarkable. Here is the item number 4, Maxshine Dual Action Polisher. Effective engine, Maxshine 8mm Orbit 900-watt DA brush boosted efficiency warranties much more power as well as torque on any type of surface, making your auto-describing process less complicated, more efficient as well as to attain the swirl-free, scratch-free, debris-free outcomes at the same time. Ergonomic design, exquisite design, as well as soft-touch head cover, make your cars and truck detailing the experience more comfortable and practical. Enhanced rate control system, adjustable speed dial from 2500 to 6500 or min speed variety ensures more versatile substance as well as trustful final sprucing up. Excellent power cable, 3M expansion to enhance the power cable, anti-fall, anti-drug, far away operation more convenient. Perfect balance. The excellent equilibrium of the components makes polishing comfy, as well as vibrations complementary. This guarantees an optimum transfer of power to the surface area and makes hard-to-reach areas obtainable and guarantees top polishing outcomes. The item number 3, Batoka Dual Action Polisher. No ton speed and multi-purpose use. 6-speed variable speed control dial enables you to adjust the vehicle polisher rate according to different applications. Conveniently change your rate without quitting from 1000 to 3800 OPM. Perfect for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble, as well as floors. Reduced rate for waxing as well as rubbing, tool rate for brightening and also cleaning up while high speed for removing paint issues and oxidation. Effective polishing and suitable for beginners. Are you stressed over whether you can complete the gloss work flawlessly? Throw away the worries. The eccentric shaft style of our double-action brush, the use of eccentric resonance polishing, wax is deeply soaked up by the automobile paint, brightening performance is high and the power is strong. Novices on the hand quickly, and will certainly not hurt the cars and truck paint. Long-life electric motor and constant power supply, pure copper cable with a high-quality electric motor, resilient as well as strong power. Integrated carbon brush structure safety, lengthy service life, will certainly not experience the orbital barrier or polishing equipment doesn't function half the work. Number 2 in our list, DEWALT Polisher Variable Speed. The vehicle polisher features effective, 12-amp, all-ball bearing building for lengthy life and efficiency for the most demanding applications. The electronic component of the variable speed brush keeps specified speed under tons, supplying far better finish results. Easily located variable rate dial of DEWALT polisher lets customer set maximum speed from 0 to 600 or 3500 RPM for different materials and also applications. Variable speed trigger permits customers to regulate rate from 0 to dialed maximum setting. Heat-treated, precision-cut steel gears for smooth operation. Woolen ingestion shields get rid of wool ingestion, increasing tool life as well as reducing solution prices. Non-mar rubber gear case cover decreases surface area flaws, as well as improves gripping surface. The DWP 849X 7-inch or 9-inch variable rate automobile polisher with soft start has an effective 12-amp electric motor with round bearing construction, as well as electronic control to supply preferred surface outcomes. The top one in our list, AVID Power Buffer Polisher. Vital to safeguard the efficiency of the machine, the AVID Power Polisher has been upgraded and also developed to be consistent no lots rate of 1500 or minutes if rate setup is 1 as well as 2. The maker will maintain 1500 or min when it does not touch the surface and also rise to the speed that you have actually set when it touches your vehicle. Notification: ensure that the pad and support pad are aligned strongly as well as firmly. Or else the pad can shake excessively, which might create a loss of control, or the pad may be thrown out of the device. Versatile applications with an effective motor, this arbitrary orbital polisher is best for polishing as well as eliminating swirls, scratches, and also flaws from all painted vehicles, reappearing the luster of your cars and truck. Variable speed control 6-speed control dial allows you to readjust the vehicle brush rate according to various applications. No load rate, 1500 to 6800 RPM, reduced speed for waxing and buffing, medium rate for polishing as well as cleaning, while broadband for eliminating paint flaws and also oxidation. Ergonomic style: the rubberized body, as well as adjustable handle give you with comfy hold sensation as well as non-slip control while in use. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best dual action polishers amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.